Hey tech lovers, welcome back to Techno Waves, your one-stop channel for latest tech updates and gadget reviews. Today we have got something that screams speed, style and wireless freedom. Yes guys, I'm talking about this Platina wireless combo by TVS Electronics. Yes, it's mechanical keyboard plus wireless mouse, an ultimate power pack. So let's unbox it and test it and see if it really lives up to the hypes. So stay tuned because ये है keyboard का king और mouse का boss एक ही box में. So let's get started. Alright, let's open this beauty and here we go. First up, on the front you can see a mechanical keyboard plus mouse. Model name is Platina wireless combo, and on the back here you got some specifications of keyboard and mouse. That's it. Now let's unbox it. So inside the box we get our keyboard and one optical mouse and some battery cells, and also we get some documentations, warranty card and manual. First up we get this mechanical keyboard, very solid build, sleek design, and oh, those clicky keys already sound very nice. And you can see it's a full size mechanical keyboard. And on the back here we got a solid two adjustable stands, and here we have to remove this nail and insert the battery cells, and that's it. And here's our wireless mouse, very lightweight, ergonomic and perfect for long hours of work or gaming marathons. Yes, it's a little bit of small and very lightweight mouse. Now let's talk about its features. Here we can see it is a mechanical keyboard with tactile feedback. Every press feels very satisfying, just like pro gamer's weapon. As you can see, very clicky buttons. Wireless connectivity, no messy cables, just plug and play freedom. And it has a long battery life, one charge and you are set for days. And it has an ergonomic mouse, perfect grip, accurate tracking and smooth lights. And on the back, on the mouse we can see we have to insert the AAA battery cells, and of course we get a USB dongle for connectivity. Just we have to connect this USB dongle and you are good to go. And the best part, it works like a charm for both working and gaming. So let's talk about its testing. It means it's time for the real test. Let's type something. Typing speed check. The keys are very super responsive, no lags, no misclicks. You can see as we have and 3 indicator lights for num lock, cap lock and battery low. And the mouse precision, the mouse cursor also working very smooth, and the DPI up to 1600 we got here. This mouse has a 1600 DPI, smooth cursor movement, perfect for everything from designing to gaming. And this wireless range, solid connectivity even from a distance, no dropouts, no drama, just pure performance. The keys are very smooth. I'm absolutely impressed with this keyboard and mouse because in my last video I have unboxed a wired TVS Electronic, but this time we got the Ultra Pro version of the TVS Electronics keyboard and mouse. Here you can see it is a wireless and as well as plus mouse. Very amazing feature we have, and I'm totally impressed with this combo pack. So what's good and what's not? So about it pros, it is solid build quality, very responsive mechanical keys, very smooth wireless performance, stylish design and ergonomic comfort. And about it cons, it has no backlight keys and slightly premium pricing, and we can purchase this combo pack under 3000, maybe it comes around 2500 or 2600. We can get this. So guys, I am very impressed with this combo pack, so you should buy the Platina wireless combo by TVS Electronics if you want performance plus style and plus wireless freedom. This is total win. And that's wrap for today's unboxing and review. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Techno Waves for more exciting tech content. See you in the next one.